Okay, so we're playing Roblox. My sister is really freaking loud in the background, so you might not hear me. But we'll play some of this here. Vehicle crashes, vehicle crash physics X or whatever. Got an update. I think it's had an update for about 2 days now. I don't know. Let's go for highway. This is gonna be way smoother on computer because there's like no control, so it's like better to play on computer. Jesus, it's so freaking loud because how many people spawn in cars. Okay, let's go over here. Let's pick a car. Bring out. I kind of like dark and light blue cars, but there's not many. Maybe we'll have this, or do this one. F instead of E to drive. Weird. I want to use... Oh, and we use ASWD for this one. Yo! Freaking broke the sound barrier, what the hell? Why are the cops after me now, bro? Why are the coppos after me? Notice that, why are the coppos ow! Breaking my sound barrier, dude. Okay, this thing's freaking slow. Grabbing something more curved, which I think would be faster. Hopefully the damn cops won't come after me. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, there's Lightning McQueen. There's Lightning McQueen. Oh crap. I thought I would lose control there, but never mind. That's only when I am that's only when I'm in the rocket car, which you unlock by joining the group in this game. What's that over there? Cement truck? Glitched? Low quality? I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the crashing sounds are breaking my sound barrier. So that's lovely. Dude, what the frick? Haha, idiot. Instant karma. Bro, I don't even have my volume up that loud, and it's breaking my sound barrier. I'm not kidding. What the f? So damn loud. McQueen! Freaking... Dude. McQueen. Bro, I can hear it breaking my sound barrier. McQueen. McQueen. Freaking head on into me, bro. McQueen. What the hell, mate? Why do I have that on? I don't know why. Holy crap, McQueen. You freaking almost made me deaf. Ow! God. Okay, we're driving a truck now. Oh, McQueen doesn't ram me, cause that'll... Can you not hear it freaking break my sound barrier? Flip, yeah. I'd like to flip, yeah. I'd like to flip, yeah. You guys can't even hear me because of how damn loud this game is with car crashing. Great sound. If I had headphones on, I would be freaking deaf by now. Actually, if McQueen crashed into me, you guys can't probably hear me because of the freaking sound barrier breaking. Um, but if McQueen heckin' crashed into me, dude! If McQueen crashed into me and I had headphones on, I would probably be freaking deaf. Dude. I think I'm done with this game soon. He's freaking... Dude! Dude! What the frick are you doing in the middle road? This is breaking my sound barrier. I'm not kidding. This is literally breaking my sound barrier. I can hear it buzzing. This game is so goddamn loud. I'm done. Dude, I'm done. This is so freaking loud. No! No. Okay, I'm gonna end this recording and whatever. But